So in this PicsArt tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a YouTube thumbnail here on PicsArt. So once you have PicsArt open up on your device, go to the bottom left and press on where it says Tools. So right up between FX and Gold, simply just press on Tools. Then on these options here, go to the top left and press on Crop. Now what you want to do now is swipe this bottom bar here all the way over to the right until you come across a little icon that says YouTube in the bottom right. Simply just go ahead and press on YouTube, and what this does is it actually changes the crop or the aspect ratio into a YouTube thumbnail. So for me right now, it actually changes this into a 967 by 544. So if you wanted to go ahead and make this YouTube thumbnail, you can simply just swipe wherever the crop you want. You can zoom in if you want as well. If you wanted to keep this, you can go ahead to the top right and press on Apply, and there you go. That is how you guys can create a YouTube thumbnail here on PicsArt. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.